In a world where cookies are becoming less common or less accepted, there's policy regulations, there's updates to online data disclosures and privacy concerns. A marketing tech stack or a proper marketing tech stack is really important in order to gather that insight as to what's working well within your marketing campaigns and your overall marketing strategy, as well as collecting further insights from your website performance and overall your customer journeys. I'm Pete Connors, and I lead our team of DataTech Solutions architects here at WebFX. I'm going to share a couple of ways that you can improve the ROI of your marketing campaigns through data. Before we get into these tips, there's a few important things to remember. The first point is that clean data is the best data. And if you have really messy data that isn't being followed up with, or data that's just collecting without being organized in any manner or fashion, this data is really going to be difficult to use and difficult to interpret to understand what you're actually able to pull from it. The second point is that the best tech stack is ultimately the one that you'll actually use. Ensuring that you have clean data coming in and regularly performing updates to your tech stack to ensure that that data is being tracked properly is an important feature in understanding how to actually utilize that data towards your marketing success. Without further ado, let's dive into how you can use data and Martech to further improve your ROI. So my first tip is how to use data and how to properly segment and qualify leads that are coming in through your website. So with the proper Martech stack, you can actually understand the difference in leads that are coming in through your website or through different marketing campaigns. Different leads are obviously of different quality depending on the information that's provided to us. Things like how much time they spent on site, what their conversion rate was, different pages that they viewed, can all give us different insights into the quality of a lead that's coming in. Furthermore, what we can also utilize is understanding the whole user journey. What marketing channels did they actually interact with, and how did that even progress them to leading to that point of conversion, as well as what did they do after the conversion point itself. Was this an actual qualified lead? Did this result in a closed-won sale for your business? And did it help improve revenue and your overall bottom line? Tip number 2 is how you can use data to refine your ad bidding. So you can use data that you collect through a number of different resources, such as Google Analytics, or preferably your CRM and Martech stack, to compile what leads were actually qualified leads for your business, or even better, which leads actually resulted in revenue or growth for your business as a whole. We can then tailor those leads and understand and compile all of the data that you've collected, and send that data back to advertising platforms such as Google Ads or Facebook and help their machine learning adapt and find more of those leads in the future. So tip number 3 is how to use data to evaluate the performance of your different marketing channels and campaigns that you're running. So with tools like Marketing Cloud FX, we can track every touch point a user had through your website, through different advertising campaigns, and across multiple different channels and mediums. With that then, we can actually begin to understand if we earned X amount of revenue from a specific marketing campaign, how is that impacted by other marketing channels further on down the line or earlier on in the process as well. So we can truly begin to understand which marketing channels, mediums, or platforms as a whole are having an impact on driving quality leads and ultimately revenue for your business. Tip number 4 is how to utilize your marketing data to personalize the experiences across your channels or website. So we can collect the marketing data across all different kinds of users, marketing mediums, marketing channels, and their interactions with the website itself. So once we've collected a lot of marketing data, we can actually use that data to tailor the experience on your website through tools such as Personalize FX. With tools such as this, we can actually change the experience for people like returning users, based upon their user's geographic location, and even more different metrics or demographic features that allow your website experience or really marketing campaign to have a more personalized aspect. So tip number 5 is you can use data to identify holes within your funnel. So we can use data to identify holes in the funnel by understanding where users are maybe dropping off within your sales process. We can understand which marketing channels may be leading to conversions on a website, but also which marketing channels are actually leading to closed-won sales, qualified leads, or other metrics all the way from start to finish throughout your sales funnel then. Some of the most powerful marketing data can come from platforms such as CRMs like Nutshell, which allow us to gather further insights into what happens after the initial conversion action. Later on down a pipeline, or through a structured pipeline such as those built within Nutshell CRM, we can begin to understand exactly how a user progresses from initial point of conversion all the way through, hopefully, a closed-won lead for your website. So to wrap up, Data is incredibly powerful, and it can help lead you to success throughout your marketing strategies. Clean data is the best data, and utilizing a tech stack to help you pull that data, collect it, and then apply it to where it's necessary is ultimately what will help lead you to a positive ROI. So if you like this video and want to see other videos like it, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss out on similar videos and insights from WebFX.